Today, I will share the business with you. If you have 5,000 Ghana cedis, 6,000 Ghana cedis, you can venture into this business and thank me later. The business is mini gas. Mini gas business means small gas business. Like it means you will start small, selling of gas, cooking gas. Now, all you need is number one, you need to have gas cylinder. You need to get gas cylinder. You can buy those small ones, 6 kg, 5 kg. You will buy it like 10 pieces. 10 pieces. As you buy it 10 pieces, you will buy gauge. Gauge, the one you will be using to sell. Now, after you buy all this equipment, next thing you will do is you will go to gas station. You will buy those gas. 1 kg, you can buy it 13 Ghana cedis. Now, if you want to sell, you will sell it 15 Ghana cedi. As local market, you will sell 15 Ghana cedi. Now, a day, if you can be able to sell 50 kg, 100 kg, you will make a lot of money for yourself. Each kg you'll be making 2 cedi. It's small to you, but when you say, for example, now you say 100 kg, you'll be making 200 Ghana cedis profit. And when you calculate this under 1 week, you will see that you will make a lot of money every week. Depending on your location, you will be making not less than 1,500 a week, 2,000 a week, depending on your location. Now, where you will make a lot of money is where you don't have too much competitors. Just for example, I am living in a village. In this village now, we don't have a place where people they buy gas cooker. If you want to buy, you have to give it to a car and send the gas to town. Which means that if you are somebody where we say you have money and you venture into this business here, you will make a lot of money. You will make a lot of money. And I talk about if you have 6,000 Ghana cedis. Inside the 6,000 Ghana cedis, you can use it to get all the equipment, buy the cylinder, buy the gauge, buy everything, and also fuel gas, and also start making sales. 6,000 Ghana cedis can set this up for you. Mini gas business. Nobody is talking about this. You can hear some people they talk, say somebody is into oil and gas. Yes, I'm talking about the gas. Before I go further, I have to tell you things you need to avoid. If you want to start this business, don't start this business nearby bush, a place where fire can catch at any moment. Don't start the business nearby bush. Not only bush. If you want to do this business, you must avoid fire. Anything fire. Anything fire. Because gas and the fire, they no be friend at all. Na serious enemy. So understand all these things and think about it. My videos is always for hustlers that have low capital but want a business to start, a side hustle to start. Because this particular business now, you can set it up and look for somebody who go to fill am for you. You will be paying the person monthly salary. A month, if you are in a busy area, a month you will be making from 3,000 Ghana cedis going. Which means that if you are paying somebody salary, you can be paying the person 800 Ghana cedis a month. You can be paying the person 700 Ghana cedis a month and still make your profit. So think about this mini gas business and thank me later. If you are into this business, you can drop it on the comment section. Share your experience with us. and I see you on my next video. I will end this video here. See you on my next video. One love. My name is still Chide Sure Cash. Drop your comment on the comment section. Let me see your own opinion. What did you think?